In December 2024, our young heroes of Badamia journeyed to the historic city of Aba for an all-important hands-on immersion at the award-winning Clintonel Innovation Centre. Powered by the Offshore Lab's vision to transform disadvantaged children into tomorrow's trailblazers, this retreat built directly on a full year of theoretical engineering design learning, inviting the boys to roll up their sleeves and turn concepts into creations. Guided by expert mentors, they immersed themselves in a world of design, engineering, and manufacturing, experimenting with everything from 3D printers to CNC machines to lathe work and welding. Alongside classroom instruction, they constructed tangible products such as classroom workstations, experiencing the direct impact of their newly honed skills. The pivotal blend of theory and practice through structured, sustainable learning is core to our approach to shape junior lab learners into well-rounded designers, creators, and makers, ready to tackle real challenges and spark innovation in their communities. A big thank you to Engineer Tochukwu Chukwueke and his amazing team at Clintonel Innovation for a most rewarding and unforgettable experience.